What's going on, guys? Biker Dave here in the 1996 BMW Z3 that we got not too long ago. Really fun car. It's my first BMW, my first small convertible. Totally awesome. It's got a supercharger also, so it is a quick little car. You know, about 200. It dynoed at 217 horsepower. So this thing devours Miatas, if you know what I'm saying. But you know, it's a 96 and it only has 145,000 miles, so it really wasn't driven very much. And one of the previous owners barely drove it at all for more than 5 years. And you know, you drive it and you're saying, well, it feels pretty good, but I feel a little shimmy. You know, it almost feels like warped brake rotors. But then if you take a closer look, even though the tires had good tread on them, the tires were more than 10 years old. They have a little date code on the side of them. You can Google that. You know, if you want to look at how old your tires are, or if you bought them from maybe a little mom and pop used tire store, yeah, the tread might be good, but if they're very old, they'll you know, if the car sat parked for a long time, the tires will get out of round and they'll develop flat spots. And so that'll make the car feel like it's got warped brake rotors. And yeah, they may have warped rotors, but take a look at the date code on the sidewall of your tires, and you might be surprised at how old your tires are. I just got brand new tires put on this one. Now it's silky smooth, so I'm thoroughly pleased with that. And yeah, I just want to throw that out at you guys. You know, if you've got an older car that's been sitting for a long time, or you bought it sitting, or you bought used tires that are unknown as far as how old they are, they might be out of round or have flat spots, and there's not much you can do about that except replace them. Anyway, that's it. We got more videos about this car, so check out the playlist link that'll pop up at the end of this video. And we also have all kinds of other stuff related to cars, dirt bikes, motorcycles, scooters, Harley-Davidson, Yamaha motocross bikes, Gold Wings, classic cars, Mustangs, Cadillac ATS-V, Hummer H3, all kinds of stuff on our channel. Over 1,500 videos, and a lot of do-it-yourself how-to stuff that might help you. So check it out. And look at the social media links in the description of this video. We have a eBay store and Amazon store relating to motorcycle related parts and specialty tools. So check it out. And that's it. 96 BMW Z3 Supercharged Z3 is pretty freaking awesome. Totally fun car. See y'all later.